Namaste, I am Samragi Khatri from Gorkha. Today I am presenting my views on nation as nationality, the pillars to save our identity, unity and destiny. Let me begin with a shocking truth. A nation can lose a wealth and still survive. A nation can lose a war and still rising up. But a nation lost its sense of nationality doesn't exist as well. Because the real strength of a nation is not its army, not its economy, and not its technology. The real strength of a nation is the feeling inside the hearts of its people. Nation is a body, nationality is soul, and a body without soul cannot exist. Today I am not discussing here politics and geography. I am discussing here the invisible power that sold millions of people on it. With this surprising reality, let me begin my discussion. A nation is a group of people bound by sharing its culture, history, and territory, while nationality is a legal state of belonging to a specific nation by birth. A nation is not just a piece of land; it is the soul of its people. It is our shared history, our culture, and our territory. A nation gives us a name. A nation gives us a home. Without a nation, we are just like a tree without roots, all but directionless. Nation and nationality gives us identity. They connect people to common history, common cultures and values. Without a nation, we are not often belonging to any country. All the citizens of a nation have equal contribute to build a nation. Dear friends, can a nation exist without a strong sense of nationality? In my view, a nation may exist, but it cannot rise up. It cannot progress and it cannot remain united. Nationality is not just important, it is essential for the growth and development of a nation. At last, I want to say that, oh my nations, your mountain whispering courage, your river carrying pride, in unity we stand together with nationality as our guide. Thank you.